The one thing we all seem to lack in our gardens is enough compost. Compost is one of the most important things to growing a great garden, and we never seem to have enough of it. So today I'm going to show you how to get compost for free in almost infinite quantities. So how do we get free compost? What is the absolute easiest composting possible? It's to outsource it. So what we're going to do today is go rob Mother Nature. I almost forgot. Don't want to leave fingerprints. Mother Nature won't even know what hit her. So if you guys ever watch Skill Cult's videos, if you don't watch Steven at Skill Cult, you really need to subscribe. But you know how to do this. What you're gonna do is look for low spots or indentations in the forest floor. So here in the pathway, you can see underneath all the leaves, there's some good compost. There's a little bit here. But if you can find a spot where the ground is low, you'll find even more. If there's a log that's blocking up material, think about it like your rain gutters. You can get all kinds of compost right here, right in the middle of this log. Look at all that. We could sift that. It's beautiful. I made this simple sifter from hardware cloth, which is what we Americans for some reason call this wire, and some 2x4s and a little bit of scrap wood. And it's really useful if you want to get the nice stuff. There's already roots in this. Sift out really fine stuff you can use in your garden beds or for starting your spring transplants or potting soil. This is the way to do it. Just rub it across. Look at that. That's the good stuff right there. Mother Nature won't even miss it. Now I wrote about this in Compost Everything. Nature throws things on the ground. They rot down. They become compost. Take advantage of that. Steven at Skill Cult actually deliberately encourages the process by putting logs on the edge of the slope. So what happens is it makes a catch for all those leaves and they fall. It's really simple and it just works. Probably gonna be fine. Can't be too careful. All right, so here is another low spot. See all this black material. This is potentially years of accumulation here, almost certainly. And it's ours for the taking. I like to use a tough shovel because it's often full of roots. But this stuff looks even prettier than what was in the tree trunk. Think of all the life that's in here. All the bacteria and fungi. You're not just giving nutrients, you're giving an entire living ecosystem. That is gorgeous. Let's take it home. Nature is really abundant. God gave us what we need all over the place. And you know, even if you don't have woods, there are a lot of different ways you can make compost. I wrote the book Compost Everything because I was trying to figure out how to feed my garden without putting chemicals and all kinds of junk in it. And I talk about all kinds of different ways, and this is one of them. Go and harvest the woods. It's a really, really easy gardening hack. And nature is so abundant. I mean, what a huge blessing. The leaves fall every year. We get all we need. You can grow your own compost. You can harvest compost from the wild. You got everything you need to feed yourself. It's beautiful. And nature is a beautiful and wonderfully designed system that cycles nutrients everywhere. Unlike us who waste things and throw our banana peels in the trash. You know, we don't need to do that kind of stuff. Just gotta compost everything. Feed our gardens beautifully. This is gonna grow some gorgeous, gorgeous plants. So, thanks for joining me today. I greatly appreciate it. Like and subscribe and hang out on this channel where we use the easiest methods to grow more food with less work. So easy composting, easy garden beds, simple, minimalist. Let's do things the way our ancestors used to, and let's learn from what clever people are doing right now. Make our gardening super simple and use the soil and the abundance around us to grow great food for our families. Thanks for joining me. Catch you all next time. And until then, may your thumbs always be green. I'm glad you didn't kill me. I'm actually a huge, huge fan of your work. This is actually a singular honor. I don't know. Been around you all my life, but never got this close. So, got a little Prosecco. Have you had Prosecco before?
Grapes, right?
Yeah, grapes. Oh yeah, that's right. Those are yours too.
Is that a biodegradable cork?
It's actually, I mean, it's just cork, so that would rot. You're drinking right out of the bottle?